Good morning, students. Today we are discussions about the topic is the differences between to the flagella and ciliums and the bending movement of flagella and cilias. The topics are the first one, differences between to the flagella and cilias, and the bending movement of the flagella and cilias. Previous class we are discussing about the lateral appendages and types of the flagellas. Today we are discussing about the differences between to the flagella and cilia. Flagellas and cilias. Now the first one of the flagellas and cilias. We know that the flagellas and cilias are these structures. In previous class we are all discussing about the structure of the flagellas and cilias. So the flagella structure is a long whip-like locomotor organelles. It is the structure is long whip-like structure. It is a long whip-like structure. And the structure of the cilias is, it is a short hair-like structures. Short hair-like structures. Short hair-like structures. So the difference between the flagellas and cilias, the flagellas of the structure is a long whip-like structure, and the cilias is a short hair-like structures. Short hair-like structures. And this kind of the flagellas present of the organisms is bears to the one or two or more flagellas is bears to the organisms. For example, Euglena. So in this Euglena, in this kind of organisms is consist of the one or two or more of the flagellas. This kind of organisms is consist of the two of the flagellas. The best example, Euglena. And the cilias like organism, the best example is Paramecium. This kind of the organisms, these are consist of the many of the cilia is present to the Paramecium organism. That means of this kind of organisms is consist of the one or two or more of the flagellas. And the cilia present to the organisms is present to the cilia is many of the cilia are present. These are one or two or more of the flagellas. These are many of the cilia are present into the organisms. This kind of the organism consists of the one or two or more of the flagellas. This kind of the organism consists of the many of the cilia. It is the difference of the flagellas and cilia of the organisms. It is a long whip-like structure, and it is a short hair-like structures of the cilia. And the flagellas containing to the organism consist of the one or two or more of the flagellas. And the cilia containing to the organisms is it is a present to the many cilia are present. Next, in this flagellas is formed to the anterior end of the organisms. In the organism, the part is the anterior end of the part. There is a formation to the flagellas. Next, in the cilia of the organisms, it is a present to the overall total upper surface of the body is consist of the cilia. But the flagellas is bears to only the anterior end. The cilia is bear to the upper surface of the total body is bear to the cilia. Next, in this flagellus kind of the organisms is can started to the movement is angular movements. Can started to the angular movements. And the cilious containing to the organisms is performed to the movements is pendular movements. Pendular movements. So it is a angular movements, it is a pendular movements. What is the difference between to the angular and pendular movements? So the angular movements like it is a waves like movements. It is a waves like movement. This type of movements is known as angular movement. And the second one is pendular movements. The cilious containing to the organisms is performed to the which movements? Pendular movements. So that means of it is a pedal of the movements. That means of it is a pedal of the movements. So what is the meaning of the pedal movements? That means of this kind of the organisms is push of the water. Push of the water to the backward. The push of the water is to the backward. Finally, the animal or organism moving to the forward. So it is the pushing of the backward of the water and the organisms is moved to the forward. This kind of the movements is known as pendular movements. Like another also called pedal movements. It is exhibited to the organisms is a cilious containing to the organisms. It is the difference between to the flagellus and cilious. It is a 2 marks question. Write any 2 differences in flagellus and cilious. So the flagellus is a long whip-like structures. Cilious is a short hair-like structures. The flagellus containing to the 1 or 2 or more of the organisms. Next, the cilious is the organism containing to the many of the cilious are present. Next, in this anterior end of the organism there is formations to the flagellus. But the organism, the upper surface of the total body is present to the cilious. Next, it is performed to the which movements? Angular movements. Angular movements like wave movements, and the pendular movements like pedal movements. It is it is a pushing of the water in backward. The animal is moving to the forward. This type of movements is a pendular movement. It is the difference between to the flagellus and cilious. Next, another one is a bending movement of the flagellus and cilious. Bending movement of the flagellus and cilious. In the previous class, we are also discussing about the structure of the flagellus and cilious. Structure of the flagellus and cilious. When the transverse sections of the flagellus or cilious, there is a present to the different type of structures are present. So, for example, axonian, microtubules, inner and outer side, the dynein arms, radial spokes, lateral appendages, kinetosomes. These are total structures are present to the flagellus or cilious. Now we are discussing about the bending movement of the flagellus or cilious. Flagellus and cilious. In this process, first one it is a microtubules. It is a microtubules. So the microtubules is the axonian is the formations to the 9+2 arrangement. 9+2 arrangement. 9 peripheral doublets. 9 peripheral doublets and 2 central singlets. And 2 central singlets. Next, each peripheral doublet is consist of the 2 types of microtubules. Each peripheral doublet is consist of the how many types of tubules? 2 types of tubules are present. The first one is A and the second one is B. Second one is B. A is a smaller and B is a larger and incompleted. Next, in this A tubule of the each peripheral doublet. A tubule of the each peripheral doublet is containing to the a pair of the arms. Is containing to the a pair of the arms. In this pair of the arms is known as dynein arms. Is known as dynein arms. So it is a 2 marks question. What is the dynein arms? So the dynein arms means a tubule of the each peripheral doublets containing to the a pair of the arms. This like of the arms is known as dynein arms. Dynein arms. Now the topic is bending movement of the flagellus and cilious. When the flagellus and cilious, when they started to the bending movements, at the time the microtubules. At the time, the microtubules is A and B. At the time, the microtubules is a sliding is to the past of the each opposite direction. It is a sliding to the opposite directions. When the flagellas and cilias can start to the bending movements, at the time the sliding of the microtubules each other quite opposite direction. Both are opposite direction. It is the help of the dining arms. It is the help of the dining arms. In this dining arms is utilizing to the ATP. Utilizing to the ATP. Finally, it is a consist of the energy. After it is the sliding of the microtubules. Sliding of the microtubules is quite opposite directions. After the dining arms is reattached to the microtubules or peripheral doublets. Reattached to the peripheral doublets. After and again to the pull of the radial spokes. The pull of the radial spokes. When the pull of the radial spokes, at the time the flagellus or cilias is a can start to the bending. Can start to the bending. It is the bending movement of the flagellus and cilias. So bending movement of the flagellus and cilias like this. When the flagellus and cilias can start to the bending movement, at the time the microtubules, the sliding of the microtubules to the each other of the opposite direction with the help of the dining arms. It is a providing to the energies. It is a utilizing of the ATP. After it is a pressure and pull again to the radial spokes. Finally, the flagellus and cilias is a can start to the bending. This type of movements is a bending movements of flagellus and cilias. Next, tomorrow we are discussing about the flagella locomotions and cilias locomotion.